Hi, everybody. This is Melissa, the Insurance Exam Queen, and I want to talk about your mindset while heading into pass the exam. So this is a high pressure test for sure for many people, especially if you're offered a job, but it's contingent upon passing this exam. And so there's a lot of pressure. Even if there's many people who have already started the job and they're already getting paid, but if they don't pass, they lose the job. And all of this can create a lot of pressure on being able to pass the exam. And then you have many people who they may not have studied for a really long time. They've been away from college and school for a while, and now suddenly they have to take this like college level course. And so I completely understand the stress, the anxiety, and the pressure heading in to be able to take and pass this exam. Now, I'm not saying that that isn't real, but giving into that, feeding into that, and constantly running that through your mind. If I don't pass this test, I'm going to lose my job. Oh my God, everything's going to go so bad if I don't pass this test. I really need to pass this test. And I'm so stressed and I'm so freaked out about all the things I need to know and study. And do I possibly know and study everything? Oh my gosh, this is so hard. If you feed into that, it creates an energy and it creates a momentum and it creates a feeling towards failing. Instead, what you want to do is create the energy and emotion towards passing. And even if it's fake, it's okay, right? So there was actually a study that was done, and they asked people to, and this is from a TED Talk called You Are Contagious. And they gave people an assignment. They said, we're going to have you recite the lyrics to a song and we're going to judge you on the accuracy of it. They had one group come in and say, I am nervous. And then they did the thing and they only got 53% accuracy. So they said, I am nervous before doing it and got 53% accuracy. Then they had a group that said nothing. So they just had them come in. They say, we're going to have you recite a song. They said absolutely nothing before they did it. They recited a song. They got 69% accuracy. So the group that went in with the mindset of I am nervous, 53%. The group that said nothing was 69%. So automatically that tells you that that negative mindset will lower your ability to be accurate. Then they had a third group come in and they were told to say, I'm excited before they got started. So the group that said, I'm excited before they got started got an 80% accuracy. That is mind blowing. So one, even if you say, you don't say I'm nervous or I'm excited, you have a 60% accuracy. If you're feeling neutral about taking and passing the exam, 69% accuracy and a 70 is a pass. If you say I'm excited about taking the exam, 80% accuracy with passing. Okay. So of course I'm not guaranteeing exam scores by just simply saying I'm excited when you go in to take it, but it's that mindset. So, and these people just said, I'm excited. It's not to say that they actually felt excited. They probably felt nervous knowing that they're being in a study and still had to recite these words. But the mere fact of saying I'm excited prompted them to get 80% accuracy over a group that said nothing and got 69%. And the group that said, I'm nervous, got 53%. Like that is mind blowing. So many of the people that I work with or that are in my group express frustration and anger and annoyance that they haven't passed, that they have to take it multiple times, that they missed it by one score. People have used the phrases epic fail when they only missed 2 questions. I'm like, how is that an epic fail if you missed 2 questions? So one, let's make sure that you understand that this is a big, difficult exam, that it's not necessarily easy. So it's going to take some effort and some resilience and some persistence to study and get through it. And that is so needed and so important if you plan to be a high 6-figure earning insurance agent. Passing this test isn't the most difficult thing of your career. The most difficult thing will be making a sale and someone says no. And then you get up again, you make a sale, someone says no. You might have an entire day, entire week where people said no, 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 no. But then the next week you might sell every single policy and boom, hit your 6 figures. You need to be able to take the fail and get up and do it again. That is important to be a high level earning 6-figure insurance agent. So if that is your wish in this field, which is more than possible, even the average income, even the average income as an insurance agent, even if you're not making all the sales, the average income of an insurance agent is $52,000 a year. You can look it up on Google. That is more money than most people earn. So even if you were doing the bare bones minimum after passing this test, you're going to $52,000 a year, according to the average. So to take it up a notch and to be that six figure, 100,000 plus, you're going to need to be able to have the perseverance and the resilience to say, okay, I didn't make a sale today. I'm going to get up and do it again. So when you take this test and you go, I didn't get a pass. Oh, I didn't get a pass. God, this is so horrible. I'm an epic failure. I'm never going to do this. It's so hard. I work so hard and it never works out. I'm going to fail. That is not the energy of a six-figure high earning insurance agent. The energy of a six-figure high insurance agent is, I didn't hit that one. I'm going to drop them my card, let them know I'm available. Maybe they have a friend to refer me, and now I'm going to move on to my next sale. I'm going to move on to the next client. Okay. You have to have that resilience and that tenacity. And so for many people, if you're failing this exam multiple times, maybe that's exactly what it is that you're learning, and that we're making sure that you are committed to knowing that this job isn't just boom, you walk in with the pass and everything is roses. You're going to have times where you have rejection, where you have no one sign up, where you have people who said they were going to buy and not buy. And you still need to get up every day excited about selling insurance and protecting people and protecting their assets and setting them up for their financial future, because that's what this job is about. Protecting people, protecting their assets, taking care of them. And some people will be ready for that opportunity and some will not, but it is your job to get up every day excited to do that. So you have to be able to take the fails. You have to be able to take the hits. So with that in mind, looking at that study about the TED Talk where they either said, I'm nervous, nothing, or I'm excited, you want to be, I'm excited. I'm excited to do this studying. I'm excited to read this chapter. I'm excited to watch this video. I'm excited to take these notes. I'm excited to be a six-figure insurance agent. I'm excited to build resilience. I'm excited if I have to take this exam more than once, because it means that I am learning and growing and that I'm building resilience and I'm building perseverance. You want to be happy heading into studying. You want to be excited as you head into study. So even if you don't feel it, if it's not real, that's okay. Tell yourself, I'm excited to study. I'm excited to pass this exam. I'm excited to learn. I'm excited to grow. I'm excited to build resilience. I am so excited for this. That is the energy. That's the movement that you're going to want in your body to be able to secure that pass. Okay. So mindset is so important with this exam, because if you have a low negative vibing mindset of failure and frustration, it's going to be harder to secure that pass. And if you have a mindset of excitement, I'm going to keep going. I don't care how long it takes, because you're not trying to create a business here just in one day. You're creating a business for your lifetime. You need to hold the space bigger than passing or failing this first attempt. Hold your space bigger than that. I'm not trying to pass my exam right now, and if I don't pass it right now, my whole life is a failure. No, I am working and studying hard to pass this exam. And if it takes me multiple times, it takes me multiple times, because I know that I am building up to and working up to having this incredible six-figure insurance agent career that is available to me as soon as I pass this exam. And so whatever it takes, however much studying it takes, I'm excited to do it, and I'm going to do it, and I'm going to get it done. Okay. So mindset is super, super important. And I'm going to say it here, since I'm going to put this video up, that I plan on making like a meditation, energetic, high vibing audio that you can listen to, so that you can get yourself into mindset of passing the exam. And I encourage you to listen to it on repeat. So if this is the first day you're watching the video, it won't be available, but I will soon be making that. I'm holding myself accountable, because it's not just about learning the materials. It's not just about understanding homeowners and whole life policies. It is so much about mindset in this career. In order to be successful in it, you need to have that mindset. You need to have that excited mindset, that resilient mindset. I'm going to learn and grow. I'm going to continue to do what it is. If you have the mindset, or I'm going to try and fail and then I quit, that's not a very productive mindset. You want the mindset of, I'm going to do my best. I'm going to learn. I'm going to refine. I'm going to do it again. Okay. That's the mindset you need as you're going through this exam, and get excited. Six figures. I have seen insurance change people's entire life. I have seen it raise people out of poverty. I have seen it taken. My own cousin was a single mom, had no help from the dad. She was raising her daughters, and she said, I don't want a life away from my daughters. I want a life with them. I want a life with my kids. She has a son and a daughter. I want a life with my children. And so she became an insurance agent and at her own agency, and she was able to go to every football game, every basketball game. She went with her children everywhere. There was never anything that she missed. And she is one of the wealthiest members in our family. So like, this is the power of insurance. This is what is available to you: a life of freedom, a life of being able to go to every game that you want to go to. I see insurance agents who are going on cruises every 3 months. Like Joanna, every 3 months she's on a cruise. It's like, I don't even know if she lives off of a cruise, to be honest, with all the pictures that she's posting. And she has this thriving, successful insurance business. And it's not because she failed her exam and, oh, I failed, it sucks, I'm never going to do this again. No, she's like, okay, if I have to take it again, I'll take it again. And she went through that perseverance. And that's what allowed her to then create this massive business that she now has. Okay. So the whole going through the exam and failing it is part of the refinement process for you becoming an incredible 6-figure agent. So don't look at it with sadness and anger and frustration that you didn't pass. Look at it as, I am building the muscles. I'm building the muscles for what it is that I need to do to be and have a successful career, a life of freedom, a life of residuals and commissions and renewals just coming to me. The work that I did today is going to pay me for years and years and years. That's incredible. That's what insurance is for. Okay. So no, we don't need to pass the first time or else we're an utter failure. And no, we are building that resilience. We are making that happen. Okay. So I will be releasing that video within the next few days. Listen to it, get your mind right. This is an exciting time. You have an exciting opportunity to change your whole life. People go to college and they pay $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 to go to college for a career that may make them $50,000. You can get your insurance license and make 52 right now. And all you have to do is pass a test, one test, not a college course, not 4 years worth of your time, one test that you could study for in a couple of weeks. Some people takes longer, whatever. Let it take as long as it takes, because knowing that you can have a career and an opportunity that gives you such a life of freedom, it is worth it to spend that time. It is worth it to go through the failure. It is worth it to learn and refine and grow so that you can live in abundance and a lifestyle like that, where you're going on cruises and you're at your child's every game. How incredible is that? Okay. So I love you all so much. I'm sending you all the loves and all the vibes to pass that exam. Remember, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Before you study, I'm excited. Before you sit down to quiz, I'm excited. Before you watch the videos, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. And that will bring in the accuracy, that will bring in the energy that you need to secure that pass, no matter when it takes. 3rd time, 4th time, 5th time. I know many 6-figure agents who took this exam 6 times. They had zero regret that it took them 6 times. And they are so happy that they kept going the 4th time, the 5th time, the 6th time to secure that pass, because it is worth it. It is worth it for a life of freedom. It is worth it to be able to have that residual income coming in and to have peace in your life. That is what is available to you with this insurance license. So I love you all so much. Sending you all the loves and vibes to pass your exam. Make sure if you have any questions about what exam that you need to take, in the comments, put the state and what exam. So if you're doing life and health, put life and health. If you're doing proper casualty, put proper casualty. You're doing personal lines, put personal lines. Adjuster exam, you got to tell me which exam and which state, so I can give you the best feedback and the best insight as to what you need to focus on the most and which classes of mine that you can purchase to help you solidify that knowledge. So I love you all so much. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day.